Right, we've got nice roots. We're going to loosen those roots up just a little bit to get the plant to realize that it can grow. It doesn't have to grow in a circle anymore, okay? And then you're going to plant, how big should the hole be? Should it be smaller than this or a little bit bigger?
A little bit bigger.
So the Virginia Randolph students are out here today to help us plant our native plant demonstration gardens. And we started a native plant garden last year to attract monarch butterflies, and it did exceedingly well. So we're expanding, and the students are here to help us with that. They've grown some plants for us, and they've actually put down soil and cardboard and mulch to kill off the invasive grass species, and now they're going to plant.
This is a great opportunity for our students to get out to the community and see what it's like to actually be in the garden and understand what it is to work in the industry. This is also awesome for them to be able to understand how important native plants are to the region. We all live here in Virginia. We all like cardinals and bluebirds and all those other things and butterflies, but they need certain plants, and they need the plants that they've grown with for centuries. So that's what native plants are and how they work.
Native plants really are adapted to our climate and to our region. They work well with our weather, our crazy summers that get really hot, and we might have little rainfall, and they just kind of hang in there. Native plants are considered the backbone of our ecosystem, so it's important that we teach people about them and their benefits.
These are our first-year students, so they're learning the skills to help them become groundskeepers. They can work in maintenance, but they can also start understanding the basics of landscaping design. They can have jobs in ecology or restoration management in those entry-level positions.